May I respond to that? If you read it again, it says, and it's singular, and there's case law that says we go by what how the letter of the word goes, right? Clear context. It is singular. It isn't plural. You read it into the court's record. It says a district court. It doesn't say district courts. Not just that, okay? I have not filed 3 recusals towards you. It is singular. It says district court. Could you please read it again for the record? It says judge. It doesn't say judges. And not just that, but Carolyn Robertson emailed your clerk on the 309. May I please? The 309 talking about tertiary. If she wanted to file into the recusal, she had every option to. So y'all took her bait and y'all ran with it on the tertiary. I have she has not filed a recusal motion. I'm saying she can file into the recusal with the administrative judge if she wants to bring up that tertiary. You have the absolute right to do that as well, and you did it. So who's bringing up the tertiary? Again, this is the problem I'm having and why I chose to recuse. Both of y'all are state bar agency card carrying licensures. Y'all both are members of the Family Law Foundation. The Family Law Foundation pays money to legislate laws against fathers. Not just that, you have treated me, this man that's standing in front of me has treated me ugly as well. He hasn't seen his kid in 12 years. Okay, and not just that, but the statistics from Harris County show that there's 217,000 custodial mothers and 10,000 non-custodial men.
Object as non-responsive to the court's argument since you're responding to what I stated the law was. I responded, I'm a judge who declines to recuse and I'm under B, and I am moving forward under B3.
Judge, I am entitled to see what the administrative judge signed.
Would the parties like to have opening statements?
Well, hold on, Judge. I'm not finished with my argument. Judge, I have a First Amendment right to plead my case. Judge.
You have done so.
No, I have not. I'm still. Judge, I'm trying. Judge, I am trying. I am trying to litigate.
There's a court order in place that gives you a.
This man is citing penal code and nobody takes my affidavits.
The record, we're on the record.
Okay, well, interference with child custody is a state jail felony.
Your audience that this court has denied you visitation.
I'm not going to let you.
There's an order in place that gives you the right to visitation. You decline to visit. That's your choice.
No. That's incorrect.
From the time you stepped in this court, I've only been respectful to you.
No, ma'am, you have not.
I have been.
You specifically told me you were not going to obey the judicial canons, the Texas judicial canons. We have it recorded. You said, no, we ain't going to do all that. We ain't going to do all that.
We are going to move forward with trial.
We're just appeal it.
Ready to make your opening statement.
No. Your Honor, no. No, I want to stay on the record. Well, I'd like to stay on the record.
My biggest thing, do you know the difference between public and media forum?
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the judge.
I'm talking to you, sir.
You don't give me legal advice. You don't even work for the judge. You work for the county. Go back to your corner.
Sir.
You work for the county. What's your SOP?
Deputy, we're going on the record. The court is calling the case is wrong. The petitioner, back on record. Petitioner, you may call your first.
Judge, what are we even noticed for today? Because she's saying final trial, but then she noticed me. Look at the notice for today. The notice for today, right? Is can I explain, please? No. It's my first. I'm still opening my statements.
That's not open.
I'm still giving.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. Put the phone down.
Judge.
Put the phone down.
No.
Today I call this case to trial.
It's not even set for trial today. The notice is for the motion to revoke suspension and all this other stuff.
The case now today is for a lot.
Look at the settings. Look at your docket. I have it here for you. It says it's passed.
Separate notice, because my motion for sanctions and my motion to terminate the community supervision were not able to be completed due to his behavior on September 13th. So that's what I sent notice for in addition.
Judge, I have a right to be treated equally in this court, and I have not been. I have not been. You yourself said on the record you were going to disobey the judicial canons. It says it shall enforce. Judge, I'm not participating in this hearing, Judge. You don't have jurisdiction. You're going to open yourself up to civil liability. Well, you can give a default judgment, Judge, but I'm not participating. I'm supposed to be treated equal like this. Your bailiffs have threatened to arrest me when giving them criminal complaints. This guy right here yelled. This guy put his hands all over women last time. I'm not partaking in this. I have equal rights in here. I told you there was no mechanism of reporting for anything. None. But y'all want to hold me to a certain standard. It's the same video that came out with Wayne Del Trofino, how you treat people. I'm out of here. You're not going to treat me like that, and you're not going to treat others. You haven't seen your kid in 12 years. I don't know what you're talking about.
That's you're in court with Wayne Del Trofino. This is for me. I was nowhere.
Well, done.
And then you just bring him to civil lawsuit. Go ahead.
Don't touch me.
Yeah,
Don't touch me.
Now,
I'm in a public space.
Come on, man.
I'm in a public. No, please. Listen, I'm listening. I'm listening. I can listen.
You want to go? Huh? Okay, can you talk? Step down. Okay, we'll talk to him. Call him what his name is.
But I need
And tell him to come on out.
I need to get some testimony on this case.
Okay. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Judge, I'm entitled to see what the administrative judge wrote you. Miss Molly May is not an attorney. How is she giving date? Nobody conferred.
How are you going to have a trial if you can't stop saying?
State your address.
I'm going to go talk to the administrative judge right now. Y'all are on Facebook.